Do you know what keto patience means? Remaining calm and nice when justifying the spoon of butter to someone who eats cereal for breakfast, bread for lunch, and pasta for dinner. All jokes aside, do you know what sucks about the keto diet? Not having enough variety and not having enough yummy and easy recipes. Have you ever come across keto recipes that involve 18 obscure ingredients, 3 kitchen appliances, and hours of messy cleanups? Yeah, maybe it tastes delicious, but yeah, maybe you're also famished before you're done cooking. After all, we are all human. We're busy, we're exhausted from work, and we are not TV star chefs. So that's why I want to share with you my new cookbook with 50 easy, quick, and yummy keto recipes today. You can download my free cookbook by clicking on the blue button below this video. I made sure to keep all recipes quick and simple. No endless instructions, no strange ingredients. Most recipes can be made in 20 minutes or less, and with ingredients that you already have in your pantry. Every recipe is perfectly calculated for the keto diet, and you can find all important nutritional facts for each recipe in a clear and concise overview. Now, normally my cookbooks sell for $29 on Amazon, but today you can get your copy for free if you click on the button below this video. This free cookbook is only available for a very limited time, so make sure to reserve your copy. This cookbook will give you a serious advantage if you finally want to reclaim your body, your health, and your energy. One of the most common reasons why people drop off their diet is because they have no time to cook. Laziness takes over. And finally, that little voice in your head that constantly craves sweets and bread and carbs will win your inner fight. But you can stop this if you simply give yourself yummy recipes that are ready in 20 minutes or less. Now let me be clear, it's not your fault. Nobody wants to be chained to the kitchen stove after a long and exhausting day. That's why you need yummy recipes that are quick and easy. Recipes that make cooking fun and not stress you out. So click now on the button below and get your limited copy of my free cookbook, including 50 keto recipes for every occasion. You'll find breakfast recipes, lunch recipes, dinner, desserts, and so much more. You will just love your new cookbook, and your scale will too. So get your free copy today and say goodbye to long and exhausting cooking rallies. Say hello to yummy and filling keto meals that do not rob your time.